Alright, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're at, I think it shows here, IZIMOTO, which stands for Imoto, like it's literally car in Zulu. They've been nice enough to open up the shop on Sunday so I can come through by myself without other people interfering in the shots, get some visuals of the car, take one of their what we took out for a spin today absolutely blew my mind. So we're gonna do a quick walk around, show you the cars that are here, show you the shop, show you the setup, and in case you ever in need for like cosmetic mods and performance mods, I'll show you a bit. The loudest GT3 RS in the country at IZIMOTO. It pulls really hard, eh?
Yeah. Not bad for naturally aspirated.
Sure. The tunnel was way louder than I expected.
Get it, yeah, again.
Yeah, I think so.
I just wanted just to get higher rates so easier.
Hitting the tunnel again. I know it's probably He screams, eh? BMW behavior in a Porsche. Alright, to give you a kind of idea what kind of shop this is and the caliber of vehicles they work on, we're just going to do a quick walk around, just show you that this isn't your average stuff. First car, as soon as you walk in, they've got a 707 horsepower SRT Hellcat. Absolutely beautiful car. This car looks absolutely fantastic. One of my favorite little features on this, the headlight bulb, that's actually an intake. Look on the car. These are 20-inch wheels, absolutely huge. The car comes stock with Brembo brakes, and it's got the red Hellcat badge. You know what this means. And it's got the red Hellcat key. Come over to the side, they've got a really impressive AC Schnitzer M3. This car has a custom build. The engine, I think it's pro-charged. Yeah, he said it's pro-charged. I don't know how much power this car makes, but it's a really impressive kit. As you can see, this has an AC Schnitzer body kit from the front bumper. The wheels, yes, AC Schnitzer on it. In the interior, I just want to point out something that's really cool with this car. It's an early 2000s car, I think it's from 2004, and it still has a telephone in it. And as you can see, the telephone is a little piece of plastic that hasn't been touched. That's how you know it's a collector's car that's been kept in pristine condition. There you go, you've got the manual, you've got all your necessary gauges, and a beautiful steering wheel. Paddle shifters from back when they were brand new in this type of cars. Car also has a black roll cage. It's a matte finish to really like tie the whole car's look together. And for a really cool performance car, it still has a sunroof. Come through to the back, it's got a beautiful wing on it, matching body color, AC Schnitzer again, and it's got an exhaust on it. Yep. To the side, we've got an X-Class, a V6 built one. It's got a wide body kit on it. It's got huge off-roading wheels, but these look to be more of like street spec that can go off-road, not off-roading wheels that are used on the ground. This has got a matte wrap on it. All the parts that used to be chrome are now in this like beautiful satin black finish. They really look really awesome. And over here, boom, one of the best Golf 7Rs I've seen in the country so far. It's got a lot of small hidden features that make it really cool. There's obvious stuff like the APR intake, carbon fiber interior, and the carbon fiber doesn't end there. Boom. The whole bonnet is made of carbon fiber. It's one seamless weave, and this was made by a company out in Singapore. It had to be imported. Come over to the side, it's got a beautiful aesthetic to it where it's like this orange color going all throughout the vehicle. Come through to the side. Orange continues on the brake calipers that say, yes, you read that right, that's Lamborghini. And another cool thing, the fender on it has a carbon weave that matches exactly. Like when the bonnet's closed, they line up perfectly. You wouldn't even tell that this is two different parts. Come on to the inside, carbon fiber mirrors, pop inside. Besides the beautiful APR wheels, carbon fiber on the fuel thing, actually I forgot the word. Come inside, the carbon doesn't end. And the orange trim, my favorite color, goes all throughout. Roll cage has the orange trim to it. The steering wheel has the carbon fiber. Like, it's out of this world. Like, the seat is genuinely from the bottom to the top. And the weave is flawless. That's what I like to see in aftermarket cars, the aftermarket parts, a flawless carbon fiber weave. Boom, a McLaren 570S in this beautiful purple color. But what makes this purple super duper special is that if you look at the brake calipers, they're in the exact same matching color. One of my dream cars, if it's either this or an R8 that I would definitely have to get as like my first supercar. About the shop, when you walk around, you'll see that it has graffiti or well done spray paint, in my opinion, all throughout. It's literally a black wall painted over it, and then when you come through again, the finishing touches are like a full graffiti. And this was done by hand by one artist. I'll tag him, and you'll see this is absolutely insane. And it goes all throughout the shop, giving it a really cool, unique look to it. Something that you don't see very often in other shops. Come over to this side, some of the work they use when they're detailing. See, it's a full, proper setup. I'm really impressed with what I've seen here today. I'm blown away. Like, the expectations I had have been surpassed tenfold. The spray paint continues all throughout. Another cool feature that they have that other shops most definitely don't have, if they've got a really cool lounge area you can come chill at, and you get a rooftop view of what's in the shop. Oh, the McLaren is so clean.